Well, we have all our little friends out here sitting around on the boat dock. And it's just another great day in paradise. Everything is very, very calm down here. We don't have any wind, and we're really liking that. We've got ducks sitting on Gary's dock. We have lots of whitebirds. So we're going to see how they respond to a little treat. And there's a pretty good indication of how they respond. They go up in the air, and now they're going to come back around and make a pass. It's kind of fun to watch them because they are so smart that they know when I throw bread out for them that it's lunchtime. They usually wait until I'm gone to come down and get it, so I don't get a good close-up shot of them. But I'm looking good in the neighborhood. Well, guys, y'all need to get on down here. And there's the big bad dog. He's up there, or she, CJ, is up there just taking it all in, having a good time. CJ, what are you doing, girl? CJ. CJ. What are you doing? Now the smart ones, they're over here shopping. The others are sitting out in the middle of the lake waiting for some shad to start surfacing, which I have not seen happen today. Catfish are surfacing. There's a catfish right there. They're going after that bread big time. Put a bunch of, there's one. I put a bunch of chips in there, and boy, I'll tell you, they got those out quick. I think they do better when there's some wind because it's so hard for them to come in and hover to grab bread out of the water. Here's one he's trying. Just like a landing. Wow, look at the catfish. They're now working out. These birds don't have a chance if they don't hurry. About the time one that tries to hit it, a catfish gets it. They are so pretty. You guys are doing a good job, but you're just not getting much bread. There's one that got smart. He decided to land. The rest of them are all trying to do it from the air. It's not easy. And those two big old fat ducks are sitting down there on the end of Gary's dock doing nothing. Just relaxing. Well, I guess that's enough of this fun for the day. Doesn't look like they're going to be too active.